Tom, and today I wanted to talk about how you can set up a website in a matter of minutes. Now I'm going to use Create. If you click on the link below, it'll take you to this screen and you'll get a free trial for 30 days to play about with it and set up your own website. You'll also get a free account manager, and it's normally a she, will help you out and sort you out and get you going if there's any problems, but it's dead easy to use. I've used other web creation sites, free ones like Weebly, Blogger. I've used WordPress, and this is by far the easiest in my opinion. If you click down what they say, you'll see other websites that other users have created. I know Create have got thousands of people using them, but they haven't got like gazillions because um, it's a small British website or web hosting site. They're in Brighton, and that kind of medium-sized company means they can give you that personal touch, and having an account manager who can help you out with any problems is brilliant, I think. So we're going to start a free trial today, and I'll show you how to use it. So you need to put in a web address, so let's put in tom@googlemail.com. Let's put in any username will do, any password will do, and we'll start my free trial. Now you can put in any username there. Let's build a shoe website, and it'll ask you if you're going to take payments. It doesn't really matter at this stage. And also ask you what industry, doesn't really matter. Now you can choose what you want on your website. Now you'll definitely want a home page, you'll probably want a shop and a blog and a contact me page. I guess you'll want a guest book page so people can say comments, which is always good. You can have a calendar event, you can have a link page, and you can always set up another standard page anytime you want, but we'll add one in anyway. And we're going to sell boots. Add page, create my site. Now that's how easy it is. You will now be in, and you can basically publish that to the web if you want to, but you wouldn't want to because Create have just put their own sort of template on to show you what you can do to get going. So that's what you would see if you published it on the web, but we'll leave that page and we'll start there. So that's your home. Once you actually join, you'll have your account details there and latest blog posts and all sorts of things. The design, there's millions of things you can do with Create. So you can have different templates. You can have a top menu, you can have a side menu, you can have a drop down menu. So I could change that to Avenue if I wanted to, and that's what it would look like. You can have different colors. Let's go for blue then. So let's change that to blue. You can have different buttons. You can have an orange square buttons. That's changed over there. The wallpaper is the bit behind everything else. So let's go diagonal stripes. Now, depending on the template you have, sometimes the wallpaper doesn't show. You have to mess around with the templates. You can change your logo. You can change your font. You can have side columns, which you've got 2 side columns there, and you can put in so the customer knows what shopping basket or what items they've chosen. You can do product searches, you can put pictures in, promote things, put articles in the side columns, anything you want. So you can do that all from here and just do it in the edit mode. Yes, we do want to leave that page. The content will tell you, this shows you what we set up at the start. You can also set up new pages. You can add images here, you can add video in slideshows, you can add forums, which is good to get contact information. You can add or delete files here, which is good for ebooks. You can have users so they can access certain pages, which is good for subscription websites if that's what you want to create. Shop, is dead easy to use. You can go into as much detail or keep it as simple as you want. They've already set up the shop with 4 products in for you, but you can obviously change that to anything you want. And if you've got millions of products, you can keep a tab on what's out of stock, what needs processing, what's been dispatched. You can have shop settings, different payment gateways, what postage and tax you want on it. You can search for different products you've got, product options. You can do customer discount codes, do shop sales. So I won't go into all of that, but if you play about with it, you'll get the hang of it. That's to preview your site, and that is to publish it. Now, if you publish anything in the shop and if your website is live on the internet, that will automatically show up without you publishing it. So anything you do in the shop will show up automatically live on the internet, so just be careful of that. That's your account information, and from here you can have different email addresses. So if you set up a shoe shop, you could have info@shoeshop.com or john@shoeshop.com or queries@shoeshop.com, and that will forward to any email address you want. So if you've got one email address that you use all the time, you could forward all your queries to that. That's the community. You can join a community, and they fellow members who can help you out on anything, or you can just contact Create yourself using the help center or direct your account manager. Really easy to use. Can't recommend it highly enough. Go to the link below and you'll go straight there and you can join. So if you wanted to publish it, you would go to publish to the web. Little tip here, they're trying to get you to pay annually, but you can pay monthly there. And another little tip, they say the package starts off at £6 a month, but you can start a micro package off at £4 a month, which should get you going. And the more you pay, the more products you can put on and the more storage space, etc. you'll have. But to start off, you can start off a much lower price. So you'd pick your whatever you wanted. You'd put in your name, Tom, and put in your email address. I won't go any further than that, but you just put your money details in so they can take payment in the next screen, and the following screen you would choose your website name or your domain name. So it would be something like iloveshoes.com or .co.uk, whatever you wanted to use, and that will put it straight live on the internet. So I could literally have set up a website in 2 minutes if I wanted to. I just wanted to show you how to use Create. Like I said, I've used other web packages, and this is by far the easiest with the support in the templates. There's no add-ons, or there's always people with WordPress or something trying to get you to buy a theme or do this or add it, but it's all here ready for you to use. Really ideal for someone who just wants to set up a reasonably simple website quickly. So click on the link below and that'll take you to Create, and thanks for watching.